Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? Those who says good evening, I am also saying good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay. Now we'll move to the further. What is our last class concept? Hmm? What is that? All right. Predefined functions in dict. Girls not saying anything. What is the last class concept? Predefined functions in dict. Option the last class. Not saying. Not saying. No. Yourself. First girl. Hmm. Not saying. But, sir, the others are saying like that. Say that. So you will follow that. If you see, you will follow. Right, students? Now let's start. Continue that. Continue the lecture. Now, previously, 6 p.m. data types, predicted data type, predefined functions in dict. So, there's a concept coming, pop function, and here I'm going to say it is all discussed it, pop item, clear function now. These are all the things which are available. Let's start with quickly. I'll do this in today. I'll finish it off. Clear function will go to this place, go to the Python environment, run as an administrator. Here I'm taking D1 is equal to some data. Now I'm taking some data 10 colon 1.2 and 20 colon 2.3 and 40 colon 1.2 and 50 colon 1.2. This is my given data. Print of what D1 comma type of D1, type of D1, and next is what ID of D1. ID of D1 I will write it. This is called dictionary class dicta. This is the data. This is the data which is available. Now students, I want to go for LEN of what? D1. How many entries are there? 4. Now I want to remove all of them. All the entries I want to remove. Only entries I want to remove. So I want to remove the entries. Before that entries, I want to ask a question. What is the index of this first one? Huh? No index or 0 now? No index. Good. No index. But is it containing internally index? Yes, it is there. But they did not give index for accessing the data. For accessing the values of value, they gave key as a accessed part of value of value. That is the point I was discussed already. Correct? Now let us move to the further. I want to remove all the entries. Pop and pop item will remove only one entry. Now I want to say D1 dot clear off. It will remove all the entries. All the entries are removed. All the entries are removed. 6624, 6624 here also I got it. Now I'm going to find out LN of D1 I am saying. LN of D1 is called what here? 0. Here it was what? 4. So I will go to the further. This I will carry. So here I am writing syntax. Tell me syntax. What is that now? Dict obj dot clear off. So easy. It's very simple. This function is used for removing all the entries of what object? Dict object. Dict object. That too non-empty dict object. Non-empty dict object. Non-empty dict object. See students, one more point I am going to say. I am going to write it dot clear off. See students, wherever you call clear, which is an empty, if you call it, no answer will come. No answer will come. That will give you no answer. That is called none is an answer. If you print it, of that part, it is a none. Why I am specifically saying this clear of none? They will ask this question by printing only. That's why I'm asking especially this word. One more I will write it. Dict of what? Clear off. Also called what? Nothing. It is also printing in the form of what? Here I will write it. Here I will write it. So see this now. I'll go for it. Also called what? None. So I'll write it. This part. When we call this function, when we call this function on what? Empty dict object, empty dict object, then we get space or none as result. So examples also I will go for it. Examples also I will take. Examples I'm taking. See this now. Of course, along with that, I want to get this data also. Along with that, this part also I will take it. So D1 data, got it. LN of D1, I got it. Clear off. D1 dot clear off. It will made us to get zero length. That is one thing. And this is going to be empty dictionary. This is a space as a result. Or if you call through print, none. In other way around, I'm writing or. This is also called a space. This is also called a space. This is also called what? None. I hope this is called what function? What function it is? Clear function. Done, students. Next, I'll go for what? Copy function. Copy function, I will take it. Easy. So let us go to the copy function quick. There I'll take up. Wherever copy function is coming, it is simply called what? Shallow. Except in frozen set. That you already aware of it. D1 ID of D2 is equal to D1 dot what? A copy of D1 dot copy of print what you know D2 comma type of D2 and next is what? ID of D2. So I got it. Same data, dicta, and I got what? Different address. You modify. D1 of D1 of 10 is equal to 2.3. D1 of D1 of D2 of D2 of 10 is equal to some 6.7. Those changes are not reflecting to each other. They are completely different, updated with what? Different values or not. Even though initial content is same, addresses are different, modifications are independent. Which copy it is? Obviously, if you want any deep copy, you can say D2 is equal to D1 happily, you can say. That is called a deep copy, always possible on every object. So not a difficult, students. It is so easy. Go to the place. So syntax, dict object 2 is equal to dict object 1 dot what copy of. There I am writing. This function is used for copying the content of one dict object, or I can say dict obj1, whatever you write in that place. Content of dict obj1 into where? Dict obj2. Dict obj2. Example I am going to talk. Examples I am going to talk about it. Examples. There I am going to write it. So here, type of D1. This is my data. Copy of this. This is the another one. This is the another one. This is the D2. Here I am going to take up. Done. This is about which concept? Copy of. Now I'm going to take up another one. What is the next? Get. From here onwards, something more useful. Of course, which you already done. Come on to the point back. When you go to the bank to find out your balance, what they are asking? What they are asking? Account number. Good. Account number they are asking. D1 you printed. Just a D1. From there, if I want to get value of 10, I will say D1 dot get off. What is that? 10 I am passing. What is this 10? Key. That will get you what? Value of value. Suppose in result scenario, result dot, get off, what are you passing? Hall ticket number you will enter. Is it returning rank or not? Correct? Now, Aadhaar card dot, get. What you are passing? Aadhaar card number you are getting. Are you getting other details? Like that. ADC dot, get off what you are passing. Employee number you are passing. Are you getting other details or not? Like that. You say get off. Left side I will use one variable. Balance I will call. Account number I am thinking. And 1.2 is the balance. So print what you know. PAL. What is the value coming? 1.2. See one more time. 20 I will write it. 20. What will come? 2.3. Print balance. 2.3. I'll pass here 100. 100 I am passing. Do you have 100 in this place? No. No value present. What is the result? Come on. Option A, key error. Option B, none. Option, don't change your answer, I said. When we speak now, on that word only you have to be there. That is the one of the important property. Whenever I am giving options by seeing that, okay, that is wrong, next one. I am writing next value error. Next I am writing here called what? Next I am going to write syntax error. Come on. Huh? Key error. You are not expecting answers, huh? If you stand on words, marks will go. Key error, value error. Key error, none. Key error. Okay. Fixa, lock the computer. 10,000 rupees question this is. Come on. Key error, wrong answer. None. None. So, 100 is not there in where? D1. So, left side variable is going to get what? None. Print. No key error. Of course, even I am a student, I'll expect key error, but you have to remember. Correct? Fine. So, see that. What is an answer? Without using left side variable also you can do. What is that? 120 I am writing 120. 120. Tell me next. Come on. Which answer? 120 is not there now. What is an answer? Key error ఎందుకు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాను కదా ఇక్కడ. Who said key error? I'll drop in railway station. So, answer. None is an answer. None is an, of course, nothing is printing. Nothing printing means it is called none only. Clear, all those things. Are you following me? Right. Be careful. Key error will not come. Suppose the question is states versus capitals they are giving. States and capitals. States are called what? Key. Value of key. Good. And capitals are called what? Values of value. I will enter the state name Telangana. I'll get Hyderabad or not. I'll enter something like Karnataka. I'll get Bangalore or not. I'll enter Tamil Nadu. I'll get what? Chennai. I will enter Andhra Pradesh. What you'll get it? None will come. None. Not yet decided. We will decide. Correct? So, do you have that value there? No. So, don't tell this example. That time, if it is already decided, problem will come. So, get function returns. Get function returns. Get function returns. Get function returns value of value if key will present. If key does not exist, result is none. That is only the thing. Right? Online students, no more political discussion in the class. See, whether capital is there or not there, nothing will happen. Whether you have Python in the brain or not, that is an important. If it is a capital, what you will do by that? Next time asking. Python is there, you will do something or not. That's why you worry about your career first. Correct, students? Okay. Go to the first syntax, please. Syntax. Come on. Value. Value is equal to what? Dicto bj is equal to get off key. Come on. This function is an important, students. I'll mention it most important. I'm saying most important means you can understand. Of course, you will forget. There is no doubt in that. You write most important. You write. Forgetting is natural. Actually, forgetting is a God-given gift, actually. But it becomes a side effect to the subject. Suppose you got some injury to the hand or somewhere. First day it is a pain or not? Next day. Pain will reduce or not? It is a God-given gift. That side effect come to the subject. Learning. You will remember. Next day, forget. Next day, total forget. That's why reading, you'll get permanent memory. Correct? That's why read well. So whatever example I say to you, that is all related to subject. This function is used for obtaining, obtaining what? The value of value. Obtaining the value of value by passing value of key. Okay. If the value of key does not exist, then we get what? None as a result. We get none as a result. So example, I will write it. We'll write example as a result. Yes, Nikesh. Right, correct. None or what? Space. Space as a result. I will just put it across. Get the result, students. Here I am writing. Here I am writing. Here I am saying. This is the data given this. And the balances here written. And today, at the end of the class, 7:30, I will ask around 17, 18, 20 questions I will ask. So all the students I will ask today. On today's lecture only I will ask. Anybody not answering, there is one punishment I will give you today. That's why carefully listen. What is the punishment? You cannot imagine. Take care. If you answer, very good. So if you answer, chocolate also will not be given. Chocolate also will not be given. That answer itself is so sweet if you answer. So space. Space has what? Result. Right. This is about concept. One more answer, last and final. I'm asking a question, students. Print of dot get of 10. Answer. None. None. Print of dict of what is this now? Get of 100. Answer is what? None. That also I'll carry. That also I'll carry. One more question I'll ask you. Careful. Students. I'll write it. 10 colon 1.2. 20 colon 1.2. 30 colon 3.4. Dot get of 30. Answer. Come on. 3.4. This is called what? Dictionary. Directly I'm asking. Answer is what? Well. Okay, students. This also I'll write it. This is my data. Well, students. Now I'll move to the further. Okay, guys. This is my get function. Here, I'll write it, students. One more alternative way also I will tell you. Because you already know that. But still, I'm saying. Yesterday's class, I said to you, take our dictionary once again. Instead of using get function, print the D1, D1 dot get, D1 dot get. I got the answer or not? 1.2. Say 20, you say, am I getting the answer or not? This is by using get. You can get the value of value. There is another way is also there to get the value of value. Yesterday's class I said, what is that? D1 of 10. While I am explaining indexing and slicing, which is not there, I said, I am saying D1 of 10. That is nothing but dicto bj of what I am passing, ma? Key. That will give you the value of value. What is the value of 10 here, ma? 1.2. Please be careful. See the answer now. Sorry. So I'll say here D1 of 10. Answer is what? 1.2. Same as this one. Key present, same. Next is called 20. 20 here, 20 here. Answer is what? 2.3. Now I'm writing here. I'm writing 200. Do you have 200 here? No. What is an answer? Huh? Option E, key error. Option B, none. Option C, value error. Option D, type error. Come on. Sure. Prepared. Yesterday. Good. This is correct answer now. Here it is called none. Here it is called key error. Exactly. Key error. So did you understand the difference? Both of them are same, but this is going to be, both of them will give you value of value, but this will give you, if key does not exist, you will get what? Key error. So go to that, or another syntax, I'll write it here. What is another syntax? Dicto bj of, what is this? Key. So this syntax also, gives value of value by passing value of key. What is the alternative way? If the value of key does not exist, then we get, if the value of key does not exist, you will get what? Good. Key error. Key error is going to come. This is here what is coming? None. Here we are getting important, students. This is a very, very important. Still, if you don't remember, helpless. If you don't remember, helpless. So I'll carry this data. Here only I will try to put it across. Here only I will put it across. Here only I say here, this I will eliminate. D1 of 10, answer is here. This is a dictionary data. D1 of 10, 1.2. D1 of 20, 2.3. 2.3. D1 of 200. D1 of 200. You see what? Key error. I hope you are following. This is about what? Get function. Well, online students, I hope you are comfortable. So keys is key. Sorry. What is completed? Get function is completed. Now I'm going for what? Spell out. Good. Now I'm going to enter into the function name called keys. If you spell out that function with a good observation, you will get the result also. Tell me. Syntax tell me. Syntax tell me. Dicto bj dot. Come on. It gives all values of key. Right? So I'm writing here variable name. That keys will give you, set of keys will come and stored in which variable? Left side variable name. Every variable name in Python is called dash. Every variable name in Python is called what? Object. 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 That object is having what? Class. The class of this object name is dict underscore key, students. Dict underscore keys. This is a separate class today. Under dict, the supplements are what? Dict keys, like that. Dict keys is a part of what here? Dict, which is a class holding set of keys. How do you do? See, I'll take out. This is my dict, students. Print D1. I am going to take it. Ks is equal to D dot D1 dot. What is my function name? Keys. D1 dot keys. It will retrieve what? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All of them are kept in where? KS. KS is an object of class, comma, what is that? Dict underscore keys. Dict underscore keys will come. I hope you are following. Come on. Now I'm going to take a print of what? KS, comma, type of KS. Very, very useful. Dict keys, class, dict underscore keys. How do you print that key, sir? Very, very simple, sir. For k in where? Ks. Press what? Tab. Press tab. Otherwise, you will get what error? Indentation error. You know that? Well, print of what? K. Print of K. Am I getting that or not? All the keys are coming. You can also say K in where? D1 dot what you can say? Keys. Directly you can print off what? K. You can get it. Happily you will get the same answer. So coming to the point back. Now I am going to take out. Now I am going to take out. So coming to this place. Here. Coming to this place. I will write it. Come on. This function is used for obtaining come on, set of keys set of keys and placed in where? LHS variable name. LHS variable name. And whose type is class, what is that? Dict underscore keys. Remember, these are important. Class names important. All class names, all error names, all function names you have to remember. That is what is your talent. Forgetting, everybody can forget. Who are all walking on the classroom, going, coming for every 2 hours. Large crowd is there in Amirpet. You ask one person, stop it. Tell them, what are you learning? You ask in that subject. Tell them functions. Every software subject will contain functions. You ask them, tell functions. 50, more than 50 functions, nobody can tell. Just to test it one day. If they don't remember more than 50, very difficult. A doctor remembering 50 tablets, treating lakhs of patients, problem, huh? Problem or not? So you have to remember a lot of functions so that you will have more career will be there. That's why learn libraries well, correct? Good. Come to the point of it. Here I am writing. Here I am writing. This is the one. KS, dict keys here, here. And I am printing my data. Here I am going to say the output here. This is my data. And this is another way. This is one way of doing. This is one way of doing. This is a direct taking the data. This is about which concept? Which concept, students? Keys of. Is it clear or not clear? Yes. Now I am writing, asking one question. For K in, for K in, for K in, I am asking Karnataka colon Bangalore, Karnataka colon Bangalore, comma, Chennai colon what? I'm sorry, Tamil Nadu, Tamil colon what? Chennai. And next is called what? MH, MH. And what is this? Mumbai, Mumbai. So, of dot what? Keys of dot print of what? K. That is an output. Karnataka, Tamil, and then MH. Are you following? This is the directly they are giving and directly they are calling what? Keys. You have to think spontaneously like that. These are all called smartness in the coding part. You have to habituate to do like that. See that. This will give you lot of skills to get it. You will become intelligent by doing this type of coding. Right. Done. Understood, students? This is about which function? Keys function. Don't take my help immediately. I'll go forward. I'm taking one more function here. What is it? Another function is what? Values function I'm taking. Come on, don't take my help. Start immediately. Used for obtaining set of values and placed in LHS variable name. RHS variable name. LHS variable name, this one, values. And whose type is class dict values. Here, what is the type? Dict underscore keys. Here, what is the class name? Dict underscore values. Easy, dead easy. And the left hand side will contain what? List of values only. Come on. Examples. We'll start examples. Examples. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. Come on. I will take it. Take the same thing. Go to the fundamental dictionary. S D1 and Vs is equal to D1 dot values of print of Vs comma type of years students values. Which kind of class? Dict underscore values. Dict underscore values. Come on, guys. For V in where Vs print of what? V. Got the values here. In other way, for V in, come on, D1 dot values of print of what now? V. Got it. Are you following me? In another way, for V in complete data, you bring it. I'm going to take it. Here you say what I'm writing now. Values. Values I'm writing. Values I'm writing. Print of what? V. You are getting what? Values. I hope you are following. Can I ask one wonderful question? Will you answer? Okay. Who will answer? Raise your hands. Who will answer? Huh? Online students are raising. Good. I'm appreciating. I'm appreciating. Offline students I want to see. Offline students I want to. So far I did not see any time. Very long back I used to see. But these days, from last 8 to 9 years, I did not see. I used to say, who will answer my question? Raise your hands. Come on, raise. Will you answer my question? Hmm? And sir is looking. Yes, sir means he'll say stand up. That is also one problem. And you become so much intelligent when you come to my class. And you'll think before talking. I want to make you to habituate. Immediately answering, not correct. Think, no buzzer rounds, no. Anywhere else, if you go to MNC, the cutoff marks will be there. By getting first rank student and 100 rank student sitting in the same office only, nothing is there. Correct? Say, who will answer my question? Anjali is saying, I will. Okay, good. Sharad Kumar, I will give ANS answer. Now, offline people are expecting. Sir, ask them you are expecting. You tell me, who will answer my question? Girls, sincere, na you are all. Raise your hands. To raise the hand, energy is required first. Energy means subject. Can you raise your hands? Boys? No? Okay. So, Hari Krishna is saying no one, sir. Okay. Okay. Bhumi is saying I will, sir. Kodeshwara is saying I will, sir. Okay. Four people said I will, sir. Okay. Now, will you try? Now, I will try. I will see. Later, they are all called what? Inability people will say. Who will answer my question? Raise? No. Now I'm asking. See, you wrote it. You wrote it. Hmm? Prashant. Sir, in offline, there is Raghu. Ask him, sir. Who is Raghu here? Who is Raghu here? Who is Raghu? Spelling lies not correct. The Raghu is siphoned. Yes, stand up. See how I find. Who is that? Prashant. Is your friend? Okay. Shall I ask you? No? Sit down. No problem. When I called Raghu, it's becoming like that. Immediately you become shaking, I easily find. Not, don't worry, student. Just okay, Prashant. I find out easily. Actually, he did not raise his hand, but I found out with my technique. Okay, students, no problem. Guys, listen. No problem, guys. No problem. But I want to give that moment in the class more than enough if you alert. Dot values will give you what? Come on. Right. All values coming? Okay. Now I'm going to give you what? Keys. will give you what? Come on. Okay. Now I'm writing here. Now I'm writing here. I'm writing there. I'm writing like this. Now I'm writing there. What will come? Option A, option B, option C, option D. Only keys will come. Only values will come. Key comma value will come. No output will come. Come on. Key comma. Good. After a long time you answered wrong. You answered wrong. You answered wrong. Come on. Next choice. All. Huh? No? 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 That is also wrong answer. Answer is keys will come. In dictionary, what is the main component? Value of values or value of key? Value of simple. If you open your contact list, open contacts, what are opening? Numbers are opening, names are opening. What is the names? Same thing. When you go to the bank, what they will ask? Balance, account number. So what is the much priority is given for you? If I don't specify keys function, values function, what will be considered? That's all. Can't you observe? Can't you apply that intelligence? Are you intelligent? See, answer is what? Keys are coming. Keys are coming. No keys function, no values function. Is it important or not? Right. So this type of smart questions we have to cover. Values function I will explain. Keys function I will explain. You will get. So today I'm forget. Today I'm perfect. When you go to an interview, I'll ask this type of question. That time you learned a dictionary, but you did not learn that type of sharp questions. If you learn, you are smart student. Correct? I will tell you all such things for you. Now I'm going to write it. One important point here. Note point I'm writing. Note point. So this note point is very, very here. Huh? Hare Krishna. Raising hands is better than to sit in chair. Okay, good. One day you come to offline once. Hare Krishna. Come to offline once, my dear student. Okay, good. Anyhow, good. Nice. Let us move to the further. Did you understand this? So here, it's most important. What is this now? No keys function, no values function. It will give you what only? Keys. How? When I click on contact list, names will open. Is that names are called what? Keys. Easy? No. Now, I'm asking one question. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. You are saying here values are there. Because of that, what are you printing? What are you printing? Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra printing or not? They are called what? Keys. Now I want to print the values also I want to print along with that. Is it possible to print or not possible? Along with this, I want to print value of values also. Possible or not possible? Huh? Possible. Who said possible? Okay, good. Stand up. Anyone who want to answer my question? No problem. Answer. How do you print value of value now? Good. Here, I want to print keys are printing, correct? Along with the keys, I want to print what also? Values also I want to print. How do you print? No? Tell me. Statement you tell me. Come on. D1 dot. D1 dot? No. No problem. Sit down. Anybody else? D1 dot, what are you saying? Values like that. Values like that. You are saying that. That only you are saying. That is the wrong answer. Now you have to say, just now I said you, D1 dot get off what? V. What is the V is coming? Karnataka. D1 dot get off Karnataka. What is coming? Bangalore. Next value coming what? Tamil. Tamil comma D1 dot get off Tamil. What is coming? Chennai. What is the next value? MH. MH comma D1 dot MH is called what? Mumbai. Like that. I will print a little careful with like this. See students, how beautiful answer is coming. What is getting? D1 dot get of V. D1 dot get of V. What is that? None is printing. None is printing. Okay, that is perfect because here I did not have anywhere else I did not store it. Because here what is happening? What is happening? D1 is I did not store anywhere else. That is a problem. So, and don't get tension now. Don't worry. I am writing. What is the D1 is here? I will write it. Dot what? Beautiful. Beautiful. See, what beautiful coding this today. D1 dot get off. Come to back. Come to back this area. Once you close this, and at the end of it, see the answer. What is this happening? D1 dot get off. No. See, once, 1 minute more. D1 dot, 1 minute students, not here. Close it. 1 minute. I will take up. Here I will write it. In place of here, I'll write it. Okay. Fine. Finished. See the answer now. Getting. What is this entire thing is called? Dictionary. What is coming first time? Karnataka. Karnataka or not? See students, when I say first time like that, VU print it, like this, you got what? Keys, I got it. Today what I am doing? The same thing. What I am getting now? Here I am saying V. What is the V coming? Karnataka. Karnataka. In this dictionary, dot of V. What is the dot of V? Karnataka. What is the value coming? That is Bangalore came. What is the next value coming? Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu printed. Tamil Nadu is what? Chennai. Get off that Tamil. Chennai is coming. That is an output. Beautiful. Got it up? Interesting? Good. Will you remember this? Yes. So this is also one important. These are all smart coding parts. See students, done. I hope you understand the meaning of what values function. These are all called what keys function. Got it. And this is special code I wrote it. Next I'll go to last but one. What are the next term? Items, and next is what? Update. Okay. Now I'm going to enter into update. Very smart and simple. Let's go to items. Very simple. Here I will write it. As we written it, I'll get it the same mechanism. You only tell me items will give you. Here I'll write it. Items. Simply you tell me items. This function is used for obtaining key comma value pair. Complete with key comma value pair. Key comma what? Value pair. And play from where? Dicta object and placed in where? LHS variable name. And whose type is what? Can you expect it? Items. These are the things we are going to get it. These are the things we are going to dict items. Dict underscore keys, dict underscore values, dict underscore items. These are the things we are going to get it. Are you able to follow? Now, coming to this place, here I'm going to write the examples. So here, how smart it is. Come on here. I will take the basic dictionary. This is my basic dictionary. Print of D1. Come on. For X in where D1 dot what? Items. Print of what? X. It will print first tuple internally. These things. First of all, of course, I'm going to print it directly, students. Just for a minute, students. You don't worry. First, I will say this part. D1, print D1, ITS is equal to D1 dot items. First basic part I want to show you. Basic. Print of what? ITS. Print of ITS. Comma what? Type of ITS. You are going to get it. All these values are coming in the form of what? You are getting K comma V, comma what? K comma V and K comma V. You are going on getting like that. This is going to be known as what? Tuples, tuples, tuples. In the form of what again? This everything is comes under what? Dict underscore items, you will get it. Look at, it is going to be like this. Dict underscore items of, see carefully students. This is called what? List. And under that what is available? Tuple, 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 tuple. Able to get it guys? That values I want to print it. For X in where ITS. Print of what? X comma type of what? X. Type of what? X. It is coming in the form of tuple, tuple, tuple or not? Key comma value pair is coming in the form of tuple. Got it up? Right. Now I want to go for C students. You can also write for X in where D1 dot what? Items. Print of what? X. Comma what? Type of X. Type what happens? Yes. D1 dot. Yes. D1 dot items. See, here I got it. Same tuples. Are you following? Now, students, very keen of observation is required. Here I am getting items, I am getting, no doubt in that. But that items, I want to break it. 10 separate, values separate. There, what I am doing, you see, ma. D1 dot what? Items. D1 dot what? Items. D1 dot items. I'm going to take up for X in D1 dot items. There I'm writing X is going to receive what? This completed tuple or not? That the complete tuple contains two values. Those two values I will write separate, separate I will say. What I do in place of X, X contains key value. K comma V I will write. And 10 stored in where? K. 1.2 stored in where? Next one when it is coming 20 in K, 2.3 in V. So print it, print of what? K comma, some arrow I will write it for your good looking output purpose. I got like this. Are able to follow? Like this, you can go for using this. Important. So let us coming to this area. Here I'm going to take up. This is about which kind of example? In this case, I'm going to. This is my data. This is my values. Dict underscore items. Here dict underscore items. Dict underscore keys, dict underscore values, dict underscore items. Be careful enough in remembering that. See students, this I'm going to paste it. And this is an error by mistake. I typed it. D1. I say here like that. You see this, got it. Another important in another important case, I got it. This is my data. Done. This is about which function? Items function. Most important. Items, values, keys, get function. These are all most popular questions. Come to what next? Update. Update function I'm going to talk, which is a very easy for you to understand. Look at that. D1 is equal to 10 colon 1.2, 20 colon 2.3. D2 is equal to D2 is equal to, I am writing here Python colon ranked number 1 language, C colon ranked number 2 language. This is my another dictionary. So I want to merge two dictionaries. So you want to add D2 to D1 now or D1 to D2 now? It is your choice. To whom you want to add to what? D2 want to add to D1. How do you do? D1 dot update of D2. I want to update the values of D1 with what? D2. If D2 values are completely unique, they are added as it is to whom? D1. D1. See students, print what now? D1. Print D1. print D1. D1 is containing as it is that values, extra added or not. If you like it, D2 dot update of D1. D1 values added at the end of what? D2. Print of what? D2. Is it D1 values are added at the end of D2 or not? Yes. Last and final, D1 is equal to, be careful, I am writing here 1.2, 20, 2.3. D2 is equal to, now I am saying here D2. Be careful, guys. I am saying 11.2 and the next 30, 30, 2.3. Here, sorry, here it is called 10, 11.2. Here I am saying 30, 30. I am saying here I am writing 2.3, no problem. What happens? This is D2, I will say D2. Now I am saying D1 dot update of D2. D2 values are updating D1. What is happening when they are updating? This is completely D2 values added at the end of D1 or not? Completely inserted entries. But here little more important. This D2 values are updating D1. It will check 10, 11.2. Already 10, 1.2 is there. So which one is replaced with what? 1.2 replaced with 11.2. It is called modified update. And what is the next? 22.3. Nothing changes. 32.3. It is inserted entry. Ultimately, print of what? D1. Print of D1 students. Please look at students. Is the 10 contains 11.1 or not? 22.3 as it is. 32.3 as it is. Now I'll copy this example. Simple. Go to that example part. I will write it. Here I am writing examples. Very, very important. Here I am writing update of this D1. Careful. D2. Here I am writing. This is another example. D1. Here it is like this. Let me go to another kind of thing. Here I will write the syntax. What are the syntax? Come on. Dicto bj1 dot update of dicto bj2. Dicto bj2. Dicto bj2. Okay. Come on, tell me. This function is used for updating. That is what? Maybe inserting or what? Modifying. Modifying the values, modifying the key comma value pair. If it is inserting key comma value pair. If it is modifying value of the existing key of what? Dicto bj1 with what? Dicto bj2 values. Dicto obj2 values. That's all. This is about update function. Yesterday I said there are some more functions are there in dict. Yesterday I said there are some more functions are there in dict that I'll tell you in the next moment. There are some more functions are there that I'll tell you in the next moment. Yesterday only I said. Okay, now? Right. So here I am not going to tell. In any batch, I am not going to tell because I have certain application development is there. If I introduce that time, it is more connecting to that. Right now, I don't want to discuss those things. This is about functions of what? Predefined dictionary. Online students, is it clear about this entire functions now? So on the dict object, we got the total functions explained. Now I'm talking about another most important topic. What is this? Complex dictionaries. Complex dictionary types I want to discuss. Okay, come on to the identification. First plan. So, Hare Krishna, that one word come to stage in danger thing in class, sir. That one word come to stage in danger thing in class, sir. I did not understand Hare Krishna because I am in the subject flow. Let me continue my class. So, complex dict types. What I am discussing already, we discussed what? List combinations, correct? List combinations. What combinations you learned? You tell me, ma. What combination? 1 minute. I will just have an outline of my explanation so that it will be more clear. What is the next term? Couple. What is the next term? Yes, good. Set. Next today what? Dict. Dict combinations I am going to tell you. That's all. First, you expect what? Dict combinations should. Or you tell me what you learned here. What you learned? List in. Okay. Second, inside the list, what you are writing, you tell me. Tuple in. Okay. Next, set in list. Whether it is possible or not possible, that you leave it. First, you identify what you are learning today. Today, what are you learning? Star point. Dict in. Yes, that I am going to discuss. That star indicate I am discussing. Okay, now? This is only the complex part. Come to tuple. First, tuple in. Okay. One now. Second, very good. List in tuple. Okay. Set in. Okay. Next, fourth, dict in. Good. I will discuss the fourth combination. Okay. Dict in where? Very good. That I will discuss. Okay. Next, please. Come on. Set in. Okay. Set in set. Set in set. Okay. Next, list in. Okay. Good. Tuple in. Good. Star. Fourth. Dict in. Okay. Good. Nice. Now you are good. Come to the point of it. Uh, Dict in. Okay. Dict in. Dict. Good. Next. List in. Dict. Okay. Tuple in. Yes. Tuple in list. Tuple in dict. Fourth. Set in dict. Okay. This one I am going to discuss. First one. So our discussion is going to be with how many combinations? 4. Rest of them already discussed. You remember now? Not remembering. That is what is my end of the class questions. Okay, now that is what I am asking. Now you don't feel tension and you don't think about it. If you start thinking about it, you will forget present discussion, which is important. I am going to start with what? Dict in dicta. Dict in dicta. Yes, my outline is clear. When you go to pandas, when you go to NumPy, Matplotlib, these are how important I cannot imagine. Once you start learning, we learned plain concept. We are entering into the combinations we are entering. Okay, now start. I want to go for start my discussion. Combinations I am going to talk. D1 is equal to SNO. I am taking your internal marks, external marks concept. Regularly, I am taking that example. Okay. SNO, online students. SNO colon 10. See, guys. Next is called what? Name. Name colon what? RS. RS. What is SNO? Key. What is name? Key. What is 10 and RS? Values. Next, students, I am writing INT marks. INT marks colon of what? Dictionary. What is INT marks? Key. That key internally having one more dictionary. Inner dictionary. In that, earlier I used to write 16, 17, 16, 18, 17. There is no meaning of that. There is no meaning. That is called set. Today I am writing. This is called which marks? C marks. This is called which marks? C plus plus marks. C plus plus marks. This is called which marks? Python marks. Python marks. What a beautiful subject. What is INT marks? Key. What is this called? For one key, inner dictionary there. In the inner dictionary, key is there, value is there. Got it now? Well, see students, comma, EXT marks. EXT marks. colon, another dictionary I will write it. What is that? C colon, same internal marks, board marks is called 60, comma, C plus plus, colon, something like 78, colon, I'm writing here, Python, Python I am writing, colon, something like 62, 62. What is ext marks? Key. What is this is called? Inner dictionary, comma, CNAME is equal to OUCET. OUCET. Beautiful. Actually, I need not to tell you this much, but when you go to interview, you have to feel that it is more than my classwork. You have to say that is my target. Actually, you have to qualify in all the interview rounds wherever you go. That's why we go in depth of it. Done. Where is happening? C name I did not write properly. I did not write properly here. C name is equal to I wrote it. Nothing to write. Colon I need to write, and double quotes I need to write. Is it college name? I'll write it. COL name, I will write it. College name. Are you following me? Now you press. See, all of you. This is my dictionary. Say here. Done. Print of what here? D1. Print of D1. Type of what? D1. See, guys. I got the complete one. It is called what? Dictionary. Very complicated. You have to understand this only. Now I want to say for key comma value in where D1 dot items of comma here print of, see beautiful thing, print of k comma arrow comma v comma arrow arrow. Don't worry about the syntax, I'll explain to you. Next is that only. Type of what? V. Type of V, comma, I will say here, comma, I will write here, type of D1, type of D1. See students, oh, beautiful output. SNO is called my key and 10 is my value. What is its type? V type I am printing. What that int is present in where? Dictor, outer dictor. Name is RS, whose type is str, present in dictor. That is a plain dictionary. INT marks is a key. Whose value is called what? Dictionary. Whose value is called dictionary? Dictionary present in dictionary, which is called inner dictionary. EXT marks is key. That is called having inner dictionary. That is a dictor present into inner dictionary, present into outer dictionary. College name is OUCET, which is called STR, present into dictor. Understood that? Raghu, adjacent student. Raghu, right side student, not saying anything. Thinking why sir did not ask Raghu questions. Are you thinking? Think on that. Almost you went to London or UK, I think so. Please look at that. You try to concentrate your things on the class. Are you following me? Understand? Now I want to print inner dictionary data. How do you print this inner dictionary data? How do you print this inner dictionary data? D1 dot get of what? INT marks. What a beautiful subject. Got it? Inner dictionary key comma value pair I want to print separately. Inner dictionary data separately I want to print. How do you print? For k comma value in D1 dot items. Go to home. D1 dot get of INT marks. Get of what? INT marks. Colon. Go to home. This will give you what? This one. Dot what? Items. This will give you what? This one. That is what? Dictionary. Dot what? Items. Beautiful. Colon. Hmm? K comma. K comma. Here comma V. That's it. Sharat Kumar. Huh? This topic seems to be tough. You have to like tough topics only. I like tough topics. Easy topic, everybody will learn. No speciality about you. If somebody asks, who are you? You should say, I'm special. Why you are special? I know all complex topics you say. If complex topics is coming, oh, it is very tough. I will go to home means go. What is that? You have to understand. Okay, start. You please like these concepts. All classes of mine is giving you magical power in coding. That is the what you are getting in industry students. Remember this today. Come on, start with. Are you understanding? Right. Now, I want to get it. This is what you are getting it. If I say like this, what is coming? You answer my question then. You answer my question. Here I am writing X. You answer my question X. What are you getting? Of what? X. What you will get it? Come on. What is an answer? What is an answer? C, Python. C, Python. With this kind of concept, I want the values also. I want the values also. How do you get it? How do you get it? X, comma, add double arrow, comma. Yes, Tarun, my dear student, please give me some time. I will explain everything. Tarun is asking, can we update key values? That means key value means I am thinking key comma value. His question is not clear. I am thinking keys is trying to update. Is it possible to update key? Is it possible to update your account number in the bank? Is it possible to update your name in the lifetime? Then that question is a waste question. That is. Come to the point. Come on. Answer. Answer. What answer, sir? You are out of order. D1 dot off dot get off X X. Super answer. What is this is giving? Dictionary. What is that? In the dictionary, X. What is the X? C. C in the dictionary. Whose marks? One more way. Another way. Another way. C students. X. X. What a beautiful subject. What is a beautiful subject? Closing bracket is missing. D1 dot get up. And what is that? Is giving you what? 1 minute. This one. So here it is giving you dot what? Get. This is going to give you what? Dictionary. In the dictionary, what do you need to get it? Value. You have to use what function only? Get function only. Because already you mentioned what? D1 dot get off you said. Here this is not giving output. You have to write compulsory what? Dot what? Get off what? X. So that you will get the output. I think you are following. Getting or not getting? Now, it is complicated, no doubt in that. But you have to like it. You print the dictionary once again. Now I'll go for concentrating on next part of the subject. I will go for it. Yeah, previous one. Yes, student. Yes, here I need to close the bracket. Here you need to close the bracket. This bracket. Are you following? For that previous one, this is the one we have seen it. This is the one where we have seen it. Int marks. Here I wrote it. Close the bracket. You are getting that answer also. Get function plus what? Second syntax I said, or syntax I said. That is the one. Right. So coming to the point of it. Here I am writing, go to the place, dictionary. I'm going to take it. This is my dictionary. Done. I want to change. I want to change C language 16 marks to 20 marks. I want to add it. I want to update. I want to update this inner dictionary, one key value I want to modify. How do you modify? First, locate the internal marks. How do you locate? D1 of what? INT marks. Because of D1 dot INT marks, what will happen? This is located or not? In that what I want? C. In that C is equal to what? 20. What is this is locating? Inner dictionary. In the inner dictionary, what are you locating? Inner dictionary key is equal to whose value? Whose value? Beautiful. Print of what? D1. Print of D1. Print of what? D1. Yes. It is modified or not? Yes. I want to. I want to prepare one beautiful concept. I want to prepare total marks. Okay. I want to change it. I want to change Python marks as what? Python marks as what? 22, 22 or 32 or 42, whatever you like it. Come on, first. D1 of D1 of ext marks, come on, is equal to, come on, D1 of, oh no, of what here? Python, Python. What is this now? Is equal to, what is this now? Some 45, 45. Print of D1. Am I getting or not 45? Yes. Now one beautiful coding I'm asking you. I want to get total marks. C language total marks, C++ total marks, Python total marks. C language total marks is nothing but internal marks plus external marks. Total marks is equal to C++ total marks, C++ internal marks. Python total marks is equal to Python internal marks plus Python. Yes. I want to add that to the dictionary only. Inner dictionary I want to add. To the dictionary, inner dictionary I want to add. How? Almost mind blank. Correct? Total marks is equal to, total marks uh, is equal to, what is this total marks? One key. In that key, in that total marks, what I want to add? This is my total marks. It's a key. Is equal to, what is my keys to be taken in that? First of all, it is the total marks or not? How to add the data to the dictionary? Dict of key is equal to value. Correct or not? Now, what is my total marks here? What I want in this place is equal to what I need. I will take it first what? Like this, I will take it. Like this, I am taking. What is this is called? Empty. Empty I am taking. Yes. Please print a D1. What is happening? Is it available like that or not? Come on. Now I will go for what? Add. How to add? D1 dot, D1 dot. Come on, fast. In the total marks place, what I want to add? C language I want to add. Next I am going to take up what I should say here. C. C I am writing. What I will say inside. What I will say inside. Inside I will go for what? This marks plus this marks. This marks plus this marks. This marks is a part of what? This marks is a part of what? How do you take it? How do you take it? D1 of, D1 of, what is this now? INT marks, INT marks of what? C. C. It will give you what? D1 of internal marks. What is this now? This one. C will give you what? 20 plus what I need, what I need plus what I need, ext marks of what? C. I will write it. I will write it. Only C marks I am adding. D1. What is happening? C is equal to 80 coming or not? Beautiful. C++ also I want to add. Actually, I can continue in same stretch, but you get confused. That's why. Come on now. Go. Go. Here. Carry on. What should I do? Come on. C plus plus, C plus plus. What is this also? C plus plus, C plus plus, C plus plus. Okay, come on. Next up. Come on. Here I will write it. Here I will write it. This part is called what? C plus plus. Here I need to write what? C plus plus. Same to same. Same to same. I'll write what? Yes, Python. Python, I will write it. I'll come to this side. This is called Python. You should have matching with the key. Students, no more confusions. So, online students, don't ask me, sir, explain again. Explain again. It's a complicated thing, my dear student. You have to understand now only. If you ask during doubt session, I may not explain again. Beginning only, I'm saying. Try to get now only. Because the student will leave. Sir will explain in doubt session. Such a complicated thing I am going to. So, come on to the point. Yes, interesting. Definitely. Done. Done. Go to the place. D1. I got a beautiful inner dictionary added. C language. C++. C++ and Python. C gone. C gone. Why C gone? Because it is, huh? It is maybe not added at the end of it. What you do is take this entire thing, go to this entire thing, go to this place. Once again here, at the same thing, you try to go to this place. In the beginning, you write it. In the beginning, you write it. In this place, you try to go in this place. Here you write it, comma, comma. Here you write it, C. Here you go forward, C. Here you go forward, C. C. Come to the place and all the ways. And here it will give you error. Definitely error. Why error, sir? Copied the same thing. That bracket problem is there. This three things. This I will remove. This I will remove. So this will give you the answer. So here at the end of it, press enter key. So here n is there. Something is n. I hope. Is it okay? Is it closed? Yes. So done. Print D1 here. So done. Total marks, C language, C++, Python. That's all. By seeing this output, don't feel happy. You have to put pen and paper. That time you'll get to know what complexity will be that. Understood that? This is the way you need to see. Getting or not, students? Done. Online students, I hope you are following. I want to. This is dictionary in dictionary possible or not? Dictionary in dictionary possible. So I'm writing. Come on, fast. What is this? Possible. Okay, done. Quite interesting. Go to the next step. Go to the next step. I am taking straightforward. Go to the dictionary. Basic dictionary, you take it. This is my basic dictionary. So, Devi Prasad, you can, sir, need more practice on this. Anjali, correct. Is there more subject? Should we add this way? Why can't? I already said the syntax or not. We can add any number of values to that. You can add. So come to the point of it. Here I will take up. This is my data. Go to the place. Now I'm going to take up. Internal marks. I'm taking. What is that? 16. Next is what? 17 and 12. Next, what is the next? EXT marks. EXT marks is equal to what I'm writing. Again, I'll take 34. I'll take 56 and I'll take 89 like this. Comma what? C name, college name, colon what? OUCET. I just wrote like that. Tell me, what is this? number, name, internal marks, which is a list of marks, external marks. Okay, colon. Okay, students. Colons equal to I will take care. You understand the subject. External marks, colon what? Value. And a college name is equal to like that. Are you following that? Inside the dictionary, I am writing what? List. C. Print of what? D1 comma, D1 comma, type of D1. Beautiful. You print the data. You print the data. How the data I'm printing? See students. I print the data. Here I am writing. D1 dot items. Print the data. See students. I got it. Number in dict. STR in dict. List in dict. List in dict. This is called what? List in dict. I want to add one extra internal marks. So to list I am writing. To list I am writing. How do you write it? D1 of, come on. int marks, dot what? Dot what? Append of what? 13. Done. D1 of internal marks is giving you what? List. In list, what function is there? Append function. Added. Print. While I am explaining, one girl is sleeping. Please wake up. Or otherwise sleep up to, I will give a long bell at 8 o'clock. That time we wake up. Middle wake up means danger. If boy means definitely I will make them to stand on the dais. Girls now 33% reservation I am giving. Come on to the point. Are you following this? Following. Added 13 or not? Now, I want to add one more value. I want to add one more value to this. Come on. D1 of, D1 of, D1 dot. Get off. Other way around I am showing. Come on. D1 of. Come on. EXT marks. Okay. EXT marks. Dot. Append of. Insert this kunda. Insert of 1 comma 99. Where? In 56 place. One value. So D1 of. What a beautiful subject. 99. Added or not? Easy or difficult? Easy. I want to remove 16 and 12. 16 or 12 I want to remove. Come on. Del off. D1 off. D1 off. Get off. INT marks. INT marks. INT marks. Colon. Colon 2. Colon 2. A beautiful subject. D1. What is gone? 16 and 12. Easy. Simple. Like this. And your brain started working. At least it wake up. It wake up. Once it wake up, it is enough. When you start giving slowly inputs now, one day it will shine like you will become scientist. No doubt in that. Come to the point back. Online students able to follow. And don't think that sir will explain as a doubt in the at the end of it, because there are complicated things. List indictive, possible or not possible? Possible. Next up, couple indictive, happily possible. Go. So to the point back. Here I am going to write it. D1. Say, I'll take up to 8 o'clock today. 8 o'clock. I'll take at 8 o'clock. Here I am writing. 8 o'clock I am taking. So come to the point. Here I am taking external marks. What is this now? 34. Huh? Compensation, huh? Okay. Whatever you feel it. So done. Are you following me? Yes. Possible or not? Possible. How to print it? Printer. D1. D1 you print. D1. Dict only. How do you print the data? I already said. How to print the data? D1 dot. You see. It is containing tuple in where? Dict. Can I append the data to this? Come on. Yes or no? No. Yes, sir. ఎవరు చెప్పింది yes, sir? Yes or no? Can I append this data? No, I cannot. Because tuple is what? Immutable. Immutable. Are you able to follow? Now I'm asking one beautiful question. Will you answer it? I want to sort these values and I want to place it in internal marks only. How? Sorted off, okay. Where is Amirpet? In Hyderabad in one place. But how to go there? That is an important. When you say sorted off, I'm not happy. You have to say statement. Come on. Come on, guys. D1 of INT marks, INT marks is equal to my intention is to take this. Come on. D1 dot INT marks, INT marks. Because of that, what is coming? These values are coming. First, మీకు చెప్పాలంటే చాలా కష్టం అసలు. Coming or not? Values coming now is equal to how do you sort them first? మీకు separate చెప్తాను. మీకు చిన్న పిల్లలు అసలు. Very small kids you are. Sorted. 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 D1 of marks. Are sorted. Sorted. Is it sorted or not? That I'll convert into which type? Tuple type. That I will update in internal marks. Come on. D1 of what? Internal marks. What is that? Sorted. Of what? D1 of what? INT marks. INT, I capital. INT marks. INT marks. Of what? Like this. Of. Sorted. INT marks. Of what? Couple of. Couple of. D1. Simple kada. Spelling mistakes not a problem. Done. Go to the D1. What a beautiful subject. D1. Sorted. 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 I want to sort. I want to put them in descending order. Descending order. Not this style. Another style. Another style. Come on. D1 of EXT marks. EXT marks is equal to D1 dot. D1 dot. Get of what? EXT marks. EXT marks of. That will give you this external marks or not? That I will go for what? What I'll do? Sorted. Sorted will give you what data? Ascending. Ascending. I will write colon what? -1. That entire thing I will convert into which type? Tuple. What a beautiful subject. Print D1. Beautiful. Got it. This is subject. This is subject. Go into college. Attendance. 75% attendance. Without learning anything. What is attendance? 75%. No MNC company ask, bring your attendance sheet. I want to put tick marks here. Whether you are talented or not, that is important. Talented is 75%, 0%, that is not important. You take BITS, Pilani and all those things. They'll give permission, read in the home, come and write exams. You know that? 0% attendance register also, no problem. But write and exams. Improve your skill set. Daily going to college, bus fare waste, tiffin box, money, packet money waste. Skill set to be improved. Are you following me? Yes. So MD Shahid, enjoying. Are you enjoying offline boys? Boys, offline boys and girls. అసలు అర్థమైతే కదా. Offline boys. Are you understanding? Girls, are you following ma? Understanding? Okay. Beginning, you may not generate the solution. And it doesn't mean that you will, whether you get the job or not. After I explain, if you understand, you are most eligible to get the job. Before I am asking, if you get solution, you will become scientist. Beginning, don't become scientist. Become software engineer. Are you understanding after I explain? Understand or not? Okay, enough. So, Kaushik, exploring the subject, enjoying it. Okay, good. Go. Now, see, tuple in dictive. Come on, guys. Possible. Set in dict, I'm talking. Set in dict, I'm talking. Super. Go. So till here, practice today, sir. Okay, good. Come on. Now I'm going to take up. I'm taking. What is this? Set. Be careful. Don't answer wrong. Now my question is it possible to write or not? Is it possible to write or not? Quickly, quickly. Online students also cannot write it. Why? Because typing everything it take a lot of time. Is it possible to write or writing set in diction possible or not possible? If you look at my face reading here, nothing is there. Don't try to judge my face because of sour face. I'll decide possible or not possible. Possible or not possible? Possible. Not possible. చెప్పకుండా ఉండడమే మంచిది కదా. పాజిబుల్ నాట్ పాజిబుల్ ఇట్లా సస్పెన్సింగ్ గా చెప్పకూడదు. యూ హౌ టు సే పాజిబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్ పాజిబుల్. పాజిబుల్ బాయ్స్ నాట్ పాజిబుల్. టేక్ యువర్ బ్యాగ్ అండ్ గో టు హోమ్ నౌ. It is possible. Why, sir? Because I can locate this set by using what? Key. See, key. Possible. Say, print D1, for loop I will take it. In for loop I will take it. See the for loop. This is the one. See the one. Set in dict. Possible, possible, possible. Beautiful. Done. Are you okay? Now I want to add some data to that. I want to discard 17. I want to pop out 89. Come on. D1 dot. D1 dot. Get off. INT marks. INT marks will give instance of set dot discard of 17. What a beautiful subject. Print of D1. 17 is gone. I want to add 17 again to the set. How? Come on. D1 dot I don't go. Next model. Int marks. Internal marks. Dot. Dot. Add of 17. 17. Good. Done. 17 is added. Beautiful. Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Easy. When SAR says everything is easy, when we put our fingers, keyboard will not work, our power will go, our message will come in WhatsApp, something will happen. Okay, students, come on now. I will clear these total elements. Internal marks, total I will clear. Come on. How? D1 dot get off ext marks, ext marks dot clear off, clear off, clear off. What happens? Huh? Okay. Bracket parenthesis. ఏం రాదు. Braces or bracket. Bracket అది. This is brace. Couple brace. Square bracket అది. Bracket. Square bracket. Square bracket. Curly braces. Braces. This terminology you learn it. See, got it. Gone. So done. What is this now? Empty set. Easy. Can I add the data to this? How? D1 dot. D1 dot. Get off. Ext marks. Ext marks. Dot. Add off. Add off. I'll say 10. I'll say 10. I'll say 10. So print of that. Done. 10 is added or not? That's all. Easy. Yes. What is that? Possible or not possible? Possible. Done. See, students, how many examples? Go to quickly. Now, all these things list. Now go to set combinations. Is it completed already or not? Now I am writing in the set. I am writing what? Dict. Go quickly. I am writing S1 is equal to 10 comma RS comma what is that? Next I am writing What is the next? Opening the bracket. C colon, C colon 17, C plus plus colon, C plus plus colon, something like 15. Okay, enough. Comma, OUCET. Possible or not possible? Quickly, quickly. Possible or not possible? Hmm? If you say like your college viva, possible, not possible, possible, not possible. Possible or not possible? Possible? Raise the hands. Who is possible? Raise your hands. No, not possible. Raise. Okay, that too. Okay, off. Not possible. Stand up. Why? Set has no. Okay, that's why. Okay, one more reason. One reason. Okay, good. Set does not have index. Sit down. Good. Set does not have the index to locate the inner dictionary. Set doesn't allow to modify the value also. Neither modification nor indexing possible. It is called a dash. Unhashable type. Unhashable type. You have to remember this. So it is called what? Type. Unhashable type. So go. What is this? Possible or not possible? Not possible. Not possible. Easy. Go. Next. Tuple. Tuple with what? Dictive. Go. I am writing there. Simple students. I am saying that same thing. I'll go to this place. T1 is equal to 10 comma RS comma. I say here C colon 10 comma C plus plus colon 18 and next enough. Go to that. I say here OUCET. I am taking like that. Possible or not possible? Writing dictionary inside the tuple. Possible or not possible? Be careful. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Not possible. Possible or not possible? So, first time possible you said. When I say possible or not possible. When I say not possible, not possible. Totally in a third time, blank. Say boys. Possible? Huh? Hmm? Okay, good. Possible. Bracket closing. Where is that? This is the one. Beginning. I need to take care. So possible. Possible this is. For value. Value in. For value in. 1 minute. For value in where? T1. I say print of what? Value comma. Value comma. Type of value comma. Comma. Type of what? T. Type of what? T1. Okay. Done. It is between where? Tuple. Now, guys, tell me. Now I want to add. Now I want to add one more extra value to this. Python, I want to add one value. Can you add it? Tell me how to add it. నాకు సేమ్ రాదు అక్కడ చూస్తే మీకు అర్థం అవుతుంది ఏం చెప్పాలని. T1 of T1 of 0 1 2 T1 of 2 T1 of 2 is called what? Dictionary. T1 of 2 of what? Python is equal to some 45. Done. Print of T1. Print of T1. Print of this value you print as this. Is it Python added or not? Python. Python added or not? That's all. Is it difficult? I want to remove C++. I want to remove C++. T1. Print చేద్దాం ఒకసారి. Print T1. Print T1. Python is there or not? I want to remove C++. T1 of -1 -2. -2. Negative index also you can do. Pop of what? C++. Gone. Print T1. C++ is not there. Easy. Yes. Possible or not possible? Possible. Possible. Next, last. Dictive. What is this dictive? Dict is dict in list. Possible or not? 100% possible. When I say this data, this is also possible, students. Come to the point back. This is called what? L1. This is called L1. This is my data. Here I am writing. This is my value like this. Now I am adding. This is the dictionary. 100% possible. Say this one. Print off this one. What is this now? L1. Say here. I'm writing. It is called what? L1. You see here. Answer is coming. Dict is possible or not? Yes. Can I add dictionary to the? Can I add dictionary to L1? You can. How do you do that? L1 dot append of L1 dot append of. See, students, I'm writing here something like x colon 1 comma y colon 2 y colon 2. I'm adding, sorry, say here close. You see added, students. Print of L1, print of L1. See, students, is it x colon y is also dict added to list or not? Yes. Ramesh, today subject is running so much speed, sir. Is it running so much speed? No. When subject is becoming hard, you will feel that subject is running very fast. To reduce the fast, you have to learn fast speed increasing. You have to learn. If you learn bike well, you will not feel it is speed. Correct? But a speed to learn means what? You have to read the subject daily. You will become speed in the subject. If I go 200 kilometers also, you will say, sir, it is very slow. Correct? So that's why reading daily will increase your speed in the subject. Ramesh, not like that. So, Nikesh, we need to practice subject daily. చెప్పాను కదా, one formula I said, 3 times you eat, 3 times you have to read compulsory. If you don't read one day, that day punishment is should not eat. And don't do dieting. Dieting you do, but don't do dieting in subject. If you do dieting naturally, you will become lean. That is good. But if you do dieting in Python, job will not come. Become, be careful. That's why subject is important. Are you following? Possible or not possible? Possible. Finished. This is about combinations of complex dictionaries. Now think about dictionary. See your stage in the subject. Dictionary you go. Dictate data type. In front of you, this is looking like a LKG or not. Next, you see this concept. This also looking very, very easy. Now you see this concept. You see this concept. This is ultimate. That's why we need to have improvement in our life. Actually, by saying this concept, I'll say dictionary is over. You will also say, dictionary is over. But when you go to interview, I will ask these questions only. Then ఇవే అడుగుతాను. And nobody will answer. You test daily your knowledge. Evaluation is important. Whether my sir is teaching good or not, you have to evaluate everywhere. Then you go for it. That is evaluation is compulsory. Self-evaluation is important. Okay, now go to the next data type. None type data type I want to take up. None type data type. Last data type, 6 p.m. Data types, data type. Perfectly, pin to pin I explained. Dict. Now I go out of for what? None type. 9:54. Shall I take today or tomorrow? Today. Tomorrow. Raise your hands tomorrow. Only 2 members and one person is just covering. When he say raising hand, what he will say stand up means problem now. Why unnecessarily like that? Okay, students. Even tomorrow. Already full now. Okay. Okay, students. Tomorrow class I will tell you. When you learn subject well, you will not get tiredness. When you don't read well, you'll feel burden. That burden will give tension. That will give tiredness. That will give problem. If you read daily and come, you'll get much interest. Correct? That's why improve your subject first. Okay, students. Tomorrow lecture is with that first 5 minutes I'll complete none type. I will go to tomorrow. Most, now I'm introducing second phase in Python programming. Batch mode programming is going to introduce. Batch mode programming, very, very important. That to Friday, Saturday. Again, important concept on Saturday. And you don't prepare underground action plans. If you prepare underground action plans, we will be in underground only. This is my regular dialogue. So tomorrow, first 5 minutes, none type. We'll go for what? Batch mode program. Very, very important. Throughout our course, this I am going to. Tomorrow I'll tell you PyCharm IDE to download also. PyCharm IDE introduction I will give you. Okay now? Don't miss tomorrow class. Students in online, now already, please cover. Because, sir, please cover today only. What is that today cover only? Tomorrow I will cover. Don't be that much sincere. Don't be that much sincere because, right. So I will go for what? Tomorrow, batch mode programming. Very, very important. Don't miss it. Thank you, students. All the best. Don't miss tomorrow. Online students, no doubt clarification. Time is over already. Time is over.